5 minus 9 gives us negative 4. And again, here we have 5 minus 9, which gives us negative 4. And negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to 16, because negative times negative is positive. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so according to the rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication and division, and finally addition or subtraction. So here in our problem, we have parentheses, a subtraction, and also a multiplication, right? So this is multiplication. So if a number is placed next to parentheses, like 9 next to the parentheses, it means multiplication, right? So according to the PEMDAS rule, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. We have to solve multiplication before subtraction. So let's go back into our problem. So 5 minus 9 gives us negative 4. And again, here we have 5 minus 9, but the problem becomes 5 minus 9 times negative 9. And here we have subtraction and multiplication. But of course, we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction. So 9 times negative 4 gives us negative 36. And 5 minus negative 36 is equal to 41. So the final answer to this question is 41.